In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use visibility conditions in Glide. By the end, you'll know how to control exactly who sees what in your app, so your users only interact with the components that make sense for them. First, go to Glide. If you're not already there, open your browser and navigate to the Glide website. Sign into your account so you can access your projects. Once you're in, open the project you want to edit. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct app, especially if you manage multiple projects, so you don't make changes in the wrong place. With your project open, look to the right side of the screen for the sidebar. This is where you'll manage most settings for whichever screen or component you've selected. Click Options. Inside Options, find the section labeled Visibility. This is where you define when something should be shown or hidden for a user. Click Add Condition under Visibility. You're creating a rule that tells Glide when to display this component. Now, choose Role as the field you want to base the rule on. Roles are a way to categorize users, like admin, manager, or viewer, and they're great for tailoring content to different audiences. Next, select the condition that makes sense for your use case. For example, you might choose Is if you want to show this component only to a specific role, or Is Not if you want to hide it from a specific role while keeping it visible to everyone else. Enter the value that matches the role you have in your app. Type it exactly as it appears in your data or user settings to avoid mismatches. If your app uses custom role names, make sure you enter them consistently. A quick tip: think through the user journey. If this component is critical for admins but confusing or unnecessary for regular users, a role-based condition will keep the experience clean and intentional. Once your condition is set, look to the top right corner and click Publish. Your changes won't be live for users until you publish, so consider this your final confirmation step. After publishing, your app will show or hide that component automatically based on each user's role, making the experience feel personalized and professional without extra manual work. That's it. Simple, precise, and powerful. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.